loyalty, faithfulness or fidelity, and of course, the greatest is love. Walang hihigit sa pag-ibig. At yan naman ang dahilan kung bakit kayo narito. Because you love each other.
Hi babe, ito na ang araw na pinakahihintay natin. Ito na ang lahat ng pagod at pagsisikap natin. May mga bagay man na di natin in-expect, pinaghandaan natin to at hinarap ng magkasama. At simula ngayon, haharapin natin ang future natin ng magkasama kahit anong mangyari.
Baka nakamono ata may banda sa
Iiyak ulit si Buksin ko na. Oh! Oh, ma! Ah! Kumikinang.
Thank you, babe, for this necklace. Susuotin ko siya araw-araw. Kahit naliligo. Naglalaba, nagluluto, Manila Diamond. Thank you, babe. Love you.
Ito na ang araw na pinakahintay natin. Alam kong mamimiss mo ang pagiging groomzilla mo. Papunta na tayo sa exciting part. Please always remember that I love you so much kahit minsan cute ang mga ugali natin. Thank you for being there, always being there talaga kahit sa career, family, and my dogs. Na magiging your family and our dogs.
For richer, for poorer, yes. In sickness or in health, yes. Until death do us part, yes. Walang salitang no. Kasi yung nagmamahalan, hindi yan umaayaw. Yung nagmamahalan, hindi yan sumusuko.
Dati pag tinatanong mo ako kung kailan tayo kakasal, lagi ko sinasagot na soon, in God's time, dadating tayo dyan. Pag ready na tayo. Pero tandaan mo na even noon pa man, it was always you.
Love is lost and love is found. It gets you high then pulls you down. It brings you to your knees, then comes and sweet.
God is the author of marriage. So let us thank God in this celebration of the Mass for the gift of marriage and the gift of the sacrament of matrimony. It is God's beautiful gift to you both.
It spins you round and round, then puts you back on stable ground. But I would do
can't wait to marry you. Love, Jess. Tapos na. Oh.
would do it all.
Thank you, babe, for the watch. I love it. I love you.
I choose you.
I choose you. With you.
Ay, sorry. Cheers!
Kasama mo ako palagi kahit anong mangyari habang buhay. I love you, Bibi Dog. And P.S. Magdodota pa din ako. Pero this time, kasama ka na.
Love is wrong and love is right.
Ayun, ako sobrang thankful ko sa nanay at tatay ko talaga. Napaparamdam pa rin nila sa akin everyday na yung pagdadrive ko pa lang, yung mga maliliit na bagay na nararamdaman ko yung pagmamahal nila. So, thank you. I love you.
Yeah, love you too.
Love you.
But I would do
Thank you sa lahat. Hindi naman ako alis sa bahay. Thank you, Papa.
Okay na.
Okay lang daw. Kahit ikakasal ako, anak niya ba rin ako? At ang mga dogs ko. Yun lang.
Hindi mo na ako kailangan ihatid pa uwi dahil tananan, iisa na tayo ng uuwian. Hindi na ako, actually nandito na tayo sa altar, so mahal na mahal kita, Carlos. Love, Jess.